Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In VL tonight, we're going to kick it off talking about Victoria Mutual Investments Limited, VMIL, ticker symbol. Dividend consideration coming up. Meeting of the board of directors. It's scheduled right around the corner, November 12, 2021, for the consideration of a dividend payment to all shareholders in Victoria Mutual Investments. Now, QWI Investments Limited, updated net asset value here. That's the NAV. This is the unaudited NAV for QWI. It's continued to inch up. We just spoke about it the other day on Business Live, and a little bit more here now for QWI shareholders. The NAV is now Jamaican dollars $1.37 per share on 22nd of October 2021. Don't mix it up with the market price. This is a NAV. Still important to track. Now, Jamaican Teas here, trading in their shares on the sell side here. Party connected with Jamaican Teas, that's Jam Teas, selling down 154,000 shares on the 15th of October 2021. We've seen a little bit on the sell side here, a couple of trades, maybe 2 or 3, reported to the Jamaica Stock Exchange in Jam Teas here. Now, KLE Group Limited, notice of the annual general meeting, that's the AGM. Company coming out, it's going to be held in a fully virtual manner or format on Tuesday, mid-November, November 16th, 2021 at 10 a.m. Now, it should be hotly attended. KLE going through the motions, in the restaurant business and so forth, but still having losses, retained earnings issues, cash flow issues, etc. So it should be an interesting AGM, and what information comes out there, the outlook will be critical, and to hear the future plans from the board of directors of KLE going forward. Supreme Ventures now, back to the gaming and entertainment giant in Jamaica. Recent reports coming out of the regulator that they're still controlling 99.5% of the gaming market, or lotteries market to be more specific. Now, in the third quarter here, lower Q3 earnings, down about 48%, having a rough time in the third quarter. But for the year to date, the 9 months, stable earnings. That's what counts during the pandemic. So let's get to the numbers. SVL, ticker symbol, registering Jamaican 312 million in net profit versus 622 million when it had that massive third quarter a year ago. So that's September 30th, 2021 versus 2020. Now, they do come out and say, the chairman, the CEO, the team there, that just due to the lockdowns, everything that was happening, they got beaten up a bit there in terms of, the earnings, the revenues were slightly off and so forth. Now, the income, total gaming income here, slightly down, 10.4 billion to 10.14 billion. That's what we're talking about for the third quarter. But the 9 months net profits more or less flat during the pandemic, 1.54 billion versus 1.55 billion. So not too bad there. However, the big takeaway here, during the 9 months year to date, the total gaming income, actually for the year to date, comparable 2021 versus 2020, it's up 21% for Supreme Ventures. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live. Have a fantastic weekend.